Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. My name is Gwavasig, and today we will be doing an Asmongold steak dinner. I am so excited, but it took me a long time to make this video, and it took me a long time to get this food. What would have taken me 10 minutes going downstairs to my local supermarket, picking up the steak, no steaks. So I had to drive, which pissed me off. But we have everything ready. Our drink of choice, and all our spices that we can find. We have some meat spice, not steak spice, but close we can get. Then obviously lemon pepper. You can see I've used this one quite a bit. This is the good stuff. The name no one can pronounce, Worcestershire sauce. And we don't have any A1 in our country, but we do have spur steak sauce. And obviously our potato, and over here I have our steak. So this is 42 Rand, that's about $2. Was that 15.30? A bit more than $2 steak. Okay, so I got my pan right here. Seat that up so long. And while we wait for the pan to heat up, I did put butter in there. You can see with my fork. I use my fork because I'm not gonna get something else dirty. I'm gonna use the fork. And we're gonna get that warm. And so long we're gonna poke some holes in this potato, because I think that's what we do. Okay. Maybe I should do it over the sink here. Okay, I think that's enough holes. We're gonna pop it in here. And as one said, 8.5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. 8.5 minutes. Hopefully that's not too loud. So we're gonna heat up this and see. Yeah, it's getting ready. I'm gonna move you guys closer to the steak so you can see that live in action. Alright, as you can see, I almost put my hair in the steak. Alright, here we go. We have our steak. I might have used a little bit too much butter, but oh, it's got some shit on the back here. Okay, we gotta be quick. Put our spice on there. Asmon put his meat spice on first, so I will do it exactly like he does. A little bit more, yep, and lemon pepper, and then this boy, I think you gotta shake it, let's shake it, I think it says so, if I remember, cool dry place. I think that's enough. Okay, let's flip them over. Might need some more heat. And then we'll do the same on the other side. This one doesn't want to come out properly, but I know this one comes out. There we go. That's what we'd like to see. How's it looking? How's it looking? Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Right, while we wait for the steak to go, it's going nicely now. I want to tell you the story of my troubles trying to get the steak. So I go down, like I said earlier, down to my local shop. I pick up everything. I pick up the potatoes, pick up my drink, everything. I have everything, all my spices and everything ready. Get to the meat section, nah. Immediately I am frustrated and angry. So I leave all my stuff there that I picked up and I try a different shop. Not far away, maybe 2 minutes drive, next shop. They closed. They are closed. Meat's doing good. So I had to go to a third shop where it would have taken me 10 minutes, took me 40 minutes to get the steak. So hopefully it's worth it. I'm sure Asmongold only eats the best meats and best steaks, so this is going to be the best meal that we ever had. So this is almost ready. I'm going to put that on a plate for me and I'll see you soon. Alright, thank you. Welcome back. Time to taste. Let's try potato. Fluffy. It's probably hot. Yeah. Hot, but good. Now the main. Lots of flavor. Perfect. Thank you for watching.